1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3 spin, guys, instead of a turn with the guy helping her, okay? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. And the way I do it is I pull her slightly more and then encourage her to turn, okay? Watch. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. All right, you can do this with any hand except the ladies tend not to take the lead as well, but if you dance with a partner frequently, then they'll know what you want. But you should treat the hand, each hand, the same way as if you had only one hand here. So if I go this way, she should go this way. All right? So to get her started, I'm going to do both hands, okay? After a basic 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And later on, I can use one hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So in other words, you have to be ambidextrous with this dance. Otherwise, you're dead in the water when it comes to the more advanced pattern that you see. So here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Now you see how you kind of just went down on the land? You're getting used to it, okay? You're getting used to it, okay? So the more you dance with a partner, the more she's going to learn what your patterns are. But on the other hand, girls, you should always dance with someone else because that guy's going to lead something different. Jim dances different than I do, okay? You go to a dance somewhere, Mario's going to show you something that's out of this world.
I dance different than you do too.
Well, whatever. It doesn't really matter. Doesn't matter. Okay?
Put them all together.
Everybody on the other hand. 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. The floor slippery. All right, and the other one. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Believe me, she cannot go through me when I put that hand